Which makes more sense? Here are two waterfall diagrams showing month-on-month movements of three expenses which have been grouped together. The waterfall was created using Power BI, and the default colours used by Power BI are shown in the top diagram, which shows an increase in expenses by the colour green and a decrease in expenses shown in red. The second diagram shows the opposite. The increases are in red and the decreases are in green. We are dealing with expenses, so let's think about the colours. Typically, in financial diagrams, green is usually associated with something improving, and red acts more as a warning. Returning to the first diagram, when the user sees red bars, do you think they will realise that the costs have actually decreased by just over 200 in the respective currency in January from a base of 0? Or do you think they will see the red and subconsciously associate red as a warning sign that there is a problem to be explored further? Or indeed look at February, where the costs have increased by around 100, yet they're in green, which may cause the user to subliminally think that all is well. If a user just glances at the report, they could easily end up confused at the story the diagram is attempting to tell. If I now look at the second diagram, in January, the decrease is shown in a green bar, whereas the increase in February is shown as a red bar. If a user glances at this time they have a clearer indication that costs have increased in February. So please be careful when using colours. Make sure that the colours used in diagrams help the user to clearly understand the information the data is providing. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to hear more from me, please click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.